In this video, we'll show you how to reset Android Auto on your Android phone. So to do this, first open the settings app. Now tap on the search option and then look for Android Auto. Now select Android Auto again. So this will open this particular menu. Now here you need to go to vehicles. Now here select the vehicle that you have just added and then forget it. Alternatively, you can also tap on this three dot icon and then select forget all vehicles and then choose OK to confirm. Once you have done this, head back to the main settings page. Now scroll all the way down and then tap on apps. Now here find Android Auto on the list. Now here tap the force stop option and then select OK to confirm. Now scroll down and then tap on storage. Now here tap the clear cache option and then tap the clear data option and then hit delete to confirm. Once you do this, Android Auto will be reset and you should be able to use it as usual without any errors.